Custom fields are used to capture relevant information for your customer which are not captured in the system by default. Create your own custom fields and enable them into any section of your CRM. Click the Add button to create a new custom field. Fill out the name of the custom field, then choose which type of field it will be. Please refer to Form Builder for tutorial related to forms. Enable the custom field to appear on the customer, prospect, user, vendor, role information in the CRM. Once finalized, click the Save button. To edit a custom field, go to the Admin panel. Under the Configuration settings, click Custom Field. Choose the custom field name from the list. You can use the filter for an easier search. Click the pencil icon under the Actions column to edit the custom field. To activate custom fields, just click on the switch beside the active label. If the switch turns blue, that means it is active. If the switch is grayed out, that means it is disabled or inactive. Edit the custom field details. Click on the Save button to update the changes.